Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Abzo. Today we are starting a new series on Python and which I've titled Python for Granny. That is Python for the very basic person. No matter your age or your class, no matter where you are, you can start Python. And that is how I'm going to explain it. Very basic. And it's not going to be that difficult for you. Python is a cool programming language. You can use it to develop many apps. You can use it to develop websites, games, and a whole lot. You use Python for data analysis. For instance, Instagram and YouTube, they were developed using Python, and it will be great you learn Python. So to start, we'll start by installing our Python and open your browser. You can open any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. And when you open, you type python.org. That is the official Python website. And when you open there, you go to download. And I'm using Windows here, so I just click here and download. But if you are using, you can also come down here and click on that for the latest version, which is currently Python 3.8.2. At the time of watching this video, if there's a new update, you can download it. So I just go ahead and download. So when I click on download, it will download for me and wait till it's completed. But since I have it, there will be no need to download again. So I just stop it and go to where it has been downloaded to. So when you download, it goes to your downloads folder. And when you go there, you click on it, you double click on it. Then before you install, down here there's a check button. We have add Python 3.8 to path. You click on it to install before you install, because you'll be using it later when you are getting into advanced Python. So when you are done, you click on install, and to install all the basic things you need to start programming in Python. So let's wait for it to install. Okay, so it's done installing, as you can see. So when it's done installing, you just click on close and open your Python ideally. That is where we are going to be coding from. And you click on your Windows key, then type. So when you even open, it will be the first one there when you're using Windows 10 like I'm using here. But if you're using other Windows versions, that is Windows 8 or Windows 7, you just search search Python and it will come for you. So when it comes, you open it. You click on it and open. To open for you the Python coding environment. So in this place, this is basically where we can type our Python programs. So the first program we are going to just type is to print hello world, to greet the world. So you just type print and put quotes hello world and close it, and displays this out to you. We are telling Python to what? Print hello world, and that is what it has just done. And you can print anything. So print wow, Python is great, and it prints it, so you can do any form of printing you want. And basically you can just try out maybe hi, My name is Joe. I'm learning Python. You can just try your hands on many of them as you start. You can also do mathematical computations in Python, like 1 plus 3, 2 times 3, 2 raised to the power 7. This not 2 raised to the power, it has a different notation, so just leave that one for now. We have 2 divided by 10. You can do a whole lot with Python. And for the start, this was just it. How to install Python, and also how to get started. So you can stay tuned for the other videos. So see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed, hit on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also like and share this video, because we'll continue this series to the end. And after this series, you'll be building a big time project with it. We are going to build a game using Python. So stay tuned.